let us see about the availability zones in this video. So availability zones are the physically separated locations within Azure region. So each availability zone is made up of one or more data centers equipped with independent power cooling network. So if you see this diagram, above diagram, you can see that there is a one region. Out of that, there is a multiple availability zones. So if you see one available zone, you can consider this as a one data center and this is another data center. So availability zone, it will be a physical location, okay, and it will contains a multiple data centers. So you can see that definition here itself. There are physically separated locations within a Azure region, and each availability zone is made up of one or more data centers, and they have an independent power cooling network. So if there is any sort of failure in one data center, and if there is in one data center, it is going to take a data from the other data centers. So that is how they are designed. So availability zones allow customer to run mission critical applications with high availability and low latency replication. So if you see the above diagram itself, you can see that they are, you may not address there, but they are very close to each other and they are connected with a high network. So the mission critical applications will need a low latency. So that is how these availability zones are designed. So whenever there is a power failure in one data center also, but it will get from the other data center. But basically these are separated each other, okay, like they may be in a different location but very close to each other. That is what the availability zones mean.